thunderstorm warning for northeastern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Macon County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Westmoreland, Oregon, 9 miles northwest of Lafayette, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lafayette, Hartsville, Westmoreland, Oak Grove, and Bethany. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.